Hey guys, and welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be showing you how to get all of Microsoft Office for free. No exceptions. There are going to be no compromises here. But this involves no piracy, and like, I'm not going to go through a shady website or anything. Nope, this is like from Microsoft. There's even a keyboard shortcut. Now, I've already done a video about how to get Microsoft Office for free last year, I believe, like a few months ago. But it was still last year. Although that is still you could still use those steps that I used in that video, but I wanted to make this video a little bit like complete because I didn't know that you could do this with one keyboard shortcut. So that's exactly what we're going to be doing today. Of course, I'm not going to show you how to download the software. It's just how to download it from how to use it on the web, because you can't really, you're going to have to crack it if you want to, download the software for it. Anyway. So the first thing you want to do is you just want to go to your web browser here with a simple keyboard shortcut. What you're going to be doing is you're just going to do Ctrl, Shift, Windows, Alt. There we go. It opened on its own, by the way. With this keyboard shortcut, you get access to the entirety of Microsoft 365. Just a quick, thing. Of course, I'm already logged in. As you can see, we're getting everything here. We're getting Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, OneDrive. What else is there? OneNote. Let's just go here to apps and just show you how many apps there are in this free version. Word, Excel, PowerPoint, OneDrive, Outlook, Teams, and Clipchamp, which is sort of Microsoft's editing website. You also get some other ones like OneNote, Sway, Forms, and Designer, which I've done a video about. It's actually part of the Microsoft Copilot video. So if I, for example, want to go to Word, it's going to open up in about a blank page, but just give it a few seconds, and it's going to open up a brand new document for you, so long as you are actually, it might ask you to log in, for example, or something. Just log in as long as you remember, of course, your information, obviously. And by the way, you're getting the latest version of Microsoft Word with the latest features. Like, for example, I have like a software version of Office on my laptop, and it doesn't have the dictate feature. It doesn't have the designer. It doesn't have the add-ins. It doesn't have all this stuff because it's an older version of Office. But here you're getting the latest features that Microsoft Office provides. So you can get the dictate feature and all that stuff. Type in whatever you like, whatever the frick you like. Okay, let's exit out of here and yeah, let's go back to apps again. Alright, let's check out Forms as an example again. Second example here. Okay, so it's telling me here to sign into this app again. It doesn't really matter. Just sign in. Really doesn't matter. But anyway, this is just an example. Let's go back again to our demonstration here, and let's look at, for example, PowerPoint. I want to open up or want to make a PowerPoint presentation. Again, you just click here, and it already gives you a set of examples or templates that you could use. But I'm just going to go with a blank presentation here. There we are. It's that simple. Look at that. We've got all the features, by the way. There are no compromises here, by the way. No compromises. In fact, I'm seeing new features here. Again, like I said, in my Office app here, I don't have the dictate feature, but here I do. By the way, the dictate feature just essentially, if you have the microphone permissions on, you could just speak and it'll write all of what you just said. So that's really cool. That's a really cool feature, and it's across Microsoft apps, or at least the big ones. Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and of course, you could see some really nice templates here. Look at these templates. These are really nice. Really nice templates. Anyway, so all in all, I think this is a slightly more improved, it's a way quicker tutorial. Alright, I think that's gonna be enough for this video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys, learned something, if you wanted to use Microsoft apps, but you didn't want to, download the alternative apps like LibreOffice, and I probably will do a video about those later, eventually. But you don't want to download those alternative apps, and you still want to use, Word, PowerPoint, maybe you have a Microsoft account that you want to use or something. Here it is. This is the solution. With one keyboard shortcut, you get access to almost all the useful apps, that are in, that are part of the Microsoft 365 or Microsoft Office suite. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and see you.